hard, super hardy, right?
Tell me about the Pelican case.
So the Pelican cases, I have 2, and they are max size.
Can we go see this?
Sure. This is my current at-home setup. My big computer is at the co-working space. I'm actually going to get a big monitor for home also.
2 computers.
All right. Cases, these are max size for legal traveling. And the reason I got this particular shape is because I can fit my computer monitor into here, at least one of them. And I'm going to get a second one. So there'd be 2 computer monitors, one for home, one for co-working.
Computer monitor? How big is the computer?
It's Apple. It's one of those Apple Macs.
How do you fit them?
So this one has the padding for it.
You made this?
Yeah. It's just the foam. Here's like the edges. You put this on the edge like this. It fits on the edge, and that's it. It took me forever to get the right dimension for
That's
this.
huge. Good 10 pounds?
Yeah.
Just the case itself is heavy.
I mean, but these are the air. These are meant for traveling.
That's the light one.
This is just actual packing equipment to cushion all the stuff that's scattered around this apartment. These are rolled. This is just good your odds and ends, like cords, X-Acto knife, toothbrushes, power sort of stuff, glass cases.
For all these small things?
These are for your clothes. Everything here is from Muji. This is for underwear. This is for loungewear. These are for jeans.
Can you open this?
Yep. Get this.
Does it have zippers?
Yep.
Like you can compress it down.
Yeah, exactly. So you can just pack your clothes in these little squares.
And then you just turn into this. Oh, that's awesome.
It's basically just protection. Protection boxes for stuff you don't want to damage.
Yeah, so they have padding in them.
Yeah, yep.
Organizers.
Organized. Yep, exactly.
Are these your toiletries? Like all this? Are these yours?
Yep.
Like the cups?
Yep.
The cups are yours.
Everything right here, actually all of this right here is mine. But this is cool too though. This is actually travel shaving. So you do this in here, it travels with you. And everything's stainless steel. It's because the top thing breaks all the time and it's poorly designed.
We're talking about his electric shaver. It's the same one I have. It's got a vacuum in it, so you don't have to worry about all the hair going everywhere. But
it breaks all the time.
How old is it?
3 years old. But I had
Mine's
to
7 years old.
every year I have to replace that part because it's made of plastic and it snaps.
These are your carry-on? Like this is what you carry
This is my
around?
carry. This is the carry-on onto the plane. I'll show you this.
Fancy bag. Wait, what brand is this?
Louis Vuitton. That's the passport. So it's all
We
matching set.
won't look in that, but that looks very sexy. See, you have a black colored theme going on here. Is there any reason why?
It's best to travel black because things are going to get dirty.
So I see you have a kitchen knife. Do you have anything else for the kitchen?
Yep, I'll show you.
I didn't believe him when he told me he has all this stuff. Ooh, can we start with that?
This is the water. This are Berkey's. The filter on top, charcoal. And you can use this as a drinking glass. And then it collapses.
How easy is the filter to replace?
I think they said once every year or 2. All right, these are shot glasses for NutriBullet, like green organic drinks.
Yeah, but how much do you use it for green drinks?
I don't. I quit drinking. 2 most important things. These are luxuries, but this is mandatory.
All right. You know what's left? Can you lift both of these together?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow, this is really hard to like move around with these. No, it's actually really easy. Like think of it like a Firetruck with like a huge ladder. You can just do this 3-axle sort of move, and it's super easy.
Can I test for these? Like how solid is this? Oh, it's super light too. Twisted.
This actually probably have a better.
This is the usual, and then of course this goes on your back. But I'm making you do a thumbnail, so it's on your front.
Now it's your turn.
Okay. I don't think you're gonna like it, but like Pelican cases and Louis Vuitton bags. I have some for REI that I had a coupon for, so this one cost me 40 US. And this one I bought in Thailand. The bag itself is waterproof, tons of stuff inside of it.
So you mentioned this is for air travel also.
I can put all of the flaps in unless I need to check. Normally I can put all of the stuff in this bag, and then when this is small enough, I can either fold it in so it's just the size of this, or I can actually put it in the bag itself. So this is a 1-bag build. Starting, I gotten used to 13-inch M1, this little bad boy.
Airs are a hidden gem. I love the airs.
Especially the first ones, because they're the ones that aren't overheating. The
okay.
M2 airs, they're stronger and they're overheating the chassis that they're in. But these are perfect. Normally I have a regular adapter, but this one I had to buy at a store. Battery, AirPod Pros, you have your actual wires, your Trezor. mouse. This is all Logitech stuff, the full-on keyboard. And of course, SSDs, 1 terabytes. This is how I talk to my teams without having all the background noise, extra phone, NFC stickers. Forget the business cards, get NFC stickers. And then we have toiletries. Yet again, Philips. And we have CeraVe. If you can buy CeraVe wherever you're at, buy it and then bring it, because this stuff is rare and it's perfect.
Oh.
And then of course, you want to get to your small gel types. You don't have to be using a whole bunch, you just have to put it a little bit, pop, and use that. Then we have the roost stand. This is the version 2. The version 3 is a little bit more expensive, but way better built. Granted, this I've been using it for a little over 2 years. Works really well. There's the next stand, which is the cheap version on Amazon. I don't see any reason why not to get it. It's just plastic.
I think I'm going to get one of these because I have a weight problem. I have to go under 50 pounds for my cases.
Super light. How much do you think that weighs? A pound?
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like
yeah, I think this would be a better option for me.
Old iPads. And then the studio stuff, I'm going to have to show you guys for another video. But because these boys, this is how you make those video calls really nice. You get one of these, 45-degree angle, just like you would for the YouTube videos that you've seen. This is what I'm using. This is my rods, and then this is the base that I put on it. Once you have that, you can put this one in the back, have that backlighting. It looks really professional. Then we have the big mic. We have this thing. But what I usually use for work is this one, because it has that noise cancellation, so no one else hears that I'm, on the beach. Yes, I gotta bring it back to the office. All right, and that was the end of this video. Check out some more digital nomad information and this playlist. What did you think of your first YouTube video?
Good. It was exciting, fun.